In the second matter before the Constitutional Court, filed by former opposition member of Parliament Prince Dube, the argument was that Parliament could not lawfully debate Constitutional Amendment Bill 3 because the bill itself is unconstitutional. Sarabina mashkobra pangwa ene vamsar peke 3 to subscribe or like on the bill icon. Obuskona no chiti. The Constitutional Court ruled that the application was not yet ready for determination, meant that the parliamentary process must first run its course before the applicant can return to court to challenge the outcome. Once again, many lawyers have described the court's approach as an example of constitutional avoidance. In their view, the court is declining to engage with the substantive constitutional questions now and is instead postponing their termination. However, the issues will not disappear even if the matter proceeds through the High Court first. It is almost inevitable that it will eventually return to the Constitutional Court on appeal for a final determination on the merits. In short, the Constitutional Court has not resolved the constitutional questions surrounding Cap 3. It has merely deferred them. Ndo mamiro zvakaita panguva ine pamusoro pema-constitutional amendments. Patikona kuti they really know, even the Constitutional Court, they really know kuti Cap 3 panguva inoi it is violating some other provisions of the Constitution, and also people don't want it. But panguva ine kurikunokuwa kunzi they are passing it and they are deferring some of the provisions and some constitutional questions surrounding it kuita kuti ipase iende mberi such that their Cap 3 it is passed into law. Pina comment section medu mbotsa mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like on the bell icon.